Good morning, dear children. Class 6, topic grammar, tense. In previous video, we have learned the simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today we will learn the simple present tense and the present continuous tense with the form of negative sentences. Okay. So, let's learn the topic, the simple present tense negative form. We use do not plus the bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means the verb that without to. It's called bare infinitive. The verbs are without to. It's called bare infinitive. That is the base form of the verb or does not the bare infinitive to form negative sentences in the simple present tense. Simple present tense बनाने के लिए we use do not and does not. आई, वी, यू एंड दे, ये सब प्रोनाउंस के साथ हम डू नॉट का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड ही, शी एंड इट्स these are third persons of form of the sentences. So we use does not with the third person. He, she and it ये थर्ड पर्सन है, सो हम इसके साथ डज नॉट का यूज़ करेंगे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. वी डू नॉट वांट टू डिले दिस प्रोजेक्ट इन एनी लॉन्गर. आई डू नॉट वांट. Okay, these one is also example of negative sentences of sentence of simple present tense. He does not want to delay. Okay, she does not want to, she does not like. Okay, so in these sentences we use do not and does not plus bare infinitive. Bare infinitive is the verb that without to. ओके, सो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए हम डू नॉट और डज नॉट का यूज़ करते हैं वर्ब्स के साथ जो वर्ब्स टू के बिना बनता है. द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में हम इज, आर, एम का यूज़ करते हैं एंड उसमें यूज़ करते हैं प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. इट्स द एंड विथ ING. So let's see the example. We are receiving any support from the company. We are not receiving any support from the company. I am not receiving any letter from the office. So in this way we will use am, is, are plus not plus ING form of the verb. It's called present participle form of the verb. Now let's see the form of question form. The simple present tense we use do or does plus subject, that is I, we, you, they, he, she and it. It's called subjects. The bare infinitive, the verb without to. It's called bare infinitive. To form the questions, the simple present tense. We can also use do or does after question words. Question words are WH questions like what, where, who, when. Okay, so we use do or does after question words. So let's see the example of question form of simple present tense. Do you like apples? Okay, in this sentence we use do beginning of the sentence and then subject and bare infinitive the verb without to. Do you like apples? It's the sentence of simple present tense of question form. Where does Sheila live? Okay, in this sentence where is a question word, then Sheila is a third person, so we use here does with Sheila. Okay, where does Sheila live? Okay, in this way you can also make the question form of the sentences in simple present tense. What we use do and does plus subject plus bare infinitive. Okay, and with question words we use do and does after the question words. Where does, when do. Okay, like this you have to make sentences like this in simple present tense. Let's see the examples of present continuous tense in question form. In present continuous tense, you all are know that we are using am, is and are. Am is and are the to be's form of the present tense. So we use in continuous present tense the to be's form of the present tense. To be's form of the present tense are am, is and are. We use is or are plus subject, the present participle form of the verb. Present participle form, it's called ing form of the verb. To form question in the present continuous tense, we can also use is and are after question words. Okay, the same way we can use is and are after question words. Let's see the example. Is Guna moving the lawn? Okay, in this sentence, is here is beginning of the sentence because we want to make question form of the sentence of continuous tense. So we will use here is in the beginning of the sentence. Is Guna moving the lawn? Ing form is the present participle form of the verb. The second sentence is question word. What are you working on currently? Okay, so what is the question word? And then we use is or are. Here you is a pronoun and with you we will use are. Guna is he or she, so we will use here is because Guna is a third person. So we will use is or are with Guna. You is a pronoun that we use are. What are you working on currently? Okay, so in this table you can see the verbs which can only be used in the simple present tense. Okay, let's see the table. Verbs of the verb of state. Okay, here correct or wrong. Possessions, belongs and have. Here two words are here. He has 2 pencils. He is having 2 pencils. Which one is correct? This house belongs to him. This house is belonging to him. So, in this table, you have to see the correct sentences of the simple present tense.